The future that you want to see tomorrow, you have to create it today. How? Intentional moves. You decide to do something, you do it. You set a goal, you achieve it. That is how to do it. Good afternoon, everyone. You're welcome to Meridian Boulevard Estate. This is one of our newest babies from the stables of Landmark Cooperative Realties. This estate right here, first thing you should know is that it's a government allocation estate. What does that mean? It means we got it directly from the government, so you don't have to worry about any kind of middleman or whatever. It is government allocated. This whole area is government allocation area. So this is a GRA, so to speak. All right. So when you buy here, you buy certainty, you buy guarantee. All right. So the document on this estate is a C of O, is a ready C of O. All right. So that is what you're buying. Okay. So very quickly, there are two tiers of plots here. We have the 300 square meter plot and we have the 500 square meter plot. The 300 square meter plot right now is going for 13.5 million and the 500 square meter plot is going for 21.7 million. And guess what? Those prices are absolute, total package. Once you pay that, you pay, and then the next thing is for you to take possession of your land. The layout is already done. Every facility that is pertinent to a modern day estate is going to be put right here. We'll have dedicated transformers for electricity supply. We'll have central borehole system for potable water supply. There'll be paved roads. There'll be CCTV coverage. There'll be gatehouse. There'll be perimeter fencing. Now, the gatehouse is not just going to be a gatehouse. It's going to be a welcome center. There'll be a lounge, and then there'll be a private bar. All those facilities you can expect to get in this estate. All right. So you see that road that is in front of the estate is actually being constructed by the government, because like I said, this place is a government allocation area, so they have to take care of the roads. Okay, so that road is actually linking the coastal road that is coming from Lekki. We must have mentioned that road quite a number of times right now, especially when we're talking about our estates in that side of town. So that road is going to link up with the coastal road that is coming from Lekki. All right, so if you ask me, I'll tell you that this place is the ish right now. It's the happening place right now in the real estate space as far as Okun-Ajah is concerned. And another beautiful thing is the fact that we have instrumental payment plan as usual. You know how we do it in Landmark. All right, so with as little as 3.5 million naira, you can pay a deposit and spread the rest across 18 months, and then you too can be on your way to becoming a landowner in this place. So what are you waiting for? If I were you, I'll give us a call. I should do my own inspection. I'll come here to see it, to see for myself what we're talking about. And don't forget, those prices that I mentioned about, that I talked about, 13.5 million for 300 square meter, 21.7 million for 500 square meter, those prices are promo prices. The price is going to shoot up very soon. So if you intend to take advantage of this right now, you have to make a move right now. Okay, the future, like I say,
this drive from Adesanya, which is off Lekki Expressway, and there is already an ongoing development, and available here is 300 square meter and 500 square meter with instant. Now, for those of you who are looking for an opportunity to invest in other means of real estate like land banking, this is one of the estates that could afford you that. And you have an entry-level fee of 3 million flexible payment. One of the estates that gives you the opportunity for flexible payment is this estate. So with 3 million, you can secure your spot, and this estate is quite selling off because it has limited plots. And as you can see, there will be features in this estate including electricity, potable water, swimming pool, perimeter fencing, and other wonderful facilities that will be inside these estates for those who invest here to enjoy. So if you're looking at a property you want to buy and resell, this could be one of them. If you're looking for a property for land banking, this is one of them. If you're looking for a property for you to develop your dream home, this is also one of them. So this gives you the opportunity you've been waiting for. This is time for you to invest in Meridian